Here's how to fix My AI not showing up on Snapchat. So if you're on Snapchat, a new feature is My AI. It's an AI bot that you can chat with. It's completely for free. If you don't have it or it's not appearing, I'm going to show you how to get it. So first I'm going to show you where to find it. Let's hop into Snapchat here, and I'm just going to swipe to the right. Now you can see here are all the messages that I have, and at the very top, if you have My AI on your Snapchat account, it'll show up to the very top, My AI. You can just tap on it and it says, say hi to My AI. You have to accept this. And basically you can start to have a conversation with your AI in Snapchat. Now, if you don't see this at the very top, there are a few different things that you can do. This is a feature that they're currently rolling out on Snapchat, so not everybody has it, but here is a step that can kind of prompt you to get it if you potentially can have it. So let's hop into your settings here, and we'll scroll down to General, and then iPhone Storage. Now this is for the iPhone. If you're on Android, you're just going to want to find the app in your settings. You're going to delete the cache, you're going to delete the app, and then reinstall the app. But here on the iPhone, what we're going to do is find Snapchat here. We're going to offload this app, and then we're going to reinstall it. This installs the latest version of Snapchat along with all of the latest features and everything. And this is your best shot in terms of getting that My AI to show up. So after it goes through this step of installing Snapchat, again, a fresh new copy of Snapchat with all the latest features, we can open it up again and check to see if that My AI is there. So if you go through all of this steps, you open it up, and again, you don't see My AI at the very top, then potentially they just haven't rolled it out to you yet. You're just going to have to wait until Snapchat rolls it out to your specific account. It seems like it's kind of random at this point, but you should get it shortly. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.